Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stop threads auto linking in Instagram bio. So as we all know guys, let's go back into Instagram just to show you. Alright, so as we all know guys, everyone, once you create a threads by your Instagram account, it directly appear right here on your profile. So, how you can stop that from happening, or how you can remove the badge of trades from your Instagram bio. So, I will show you. I already have removed it. So, I will show you how you can remove it by add it back. So, I will go into my profile right here, edit profile, okay, and yeah. So, just look. Okay, and the badge of my trades will be on my profile. It's linked directly and automatically right here. So how you can remove it, you will just go into edit profile and you will scroll down until you can see show trades badge and lock it off. So by locking that option off, once I refresh my page, alright, so it's disappeared. Anyways, that's how to stop threads auto linking in your Instagram bio. Thank you for watching and goodbye.